As we come up on the end of the year, one of the things I wanted to really celebrate this year was the podcast. The Florida Family Law Attorney podcast has really just taken off. There's a lot of viewers, listeners. I spoke to a person the other day who called in with a question, who heard about us through the podcast and had a question about one of the episodes. And I think that's great. The whole purpose of the podcast is to get the best information out to people who really need it. I think it's wonderful, and I'm really excited about where we're going to go with it in the future. But for it to have a successful future, I really need your help. If you have topics that you want, covered, if you can put those in the comments of a Facebook post or a social media post or on YouTube, that would be great. And I can, look at the different topics and we can come up with information. It helps us get inspired and it helps the show be relevant. Another thing I really need help with is I need guests. If you're, in the divorce industry and, you're offering expert services or you have some special insight or some niche area of law that you do and you want to be on the podcast, let us know. We'd love to have you as a guest. If you're a football coach, baseball coach, you know anything about coming over adversity, teamwork, or resilience, maybe, teaching a team how to come back at the bottom of the ninth to win the game. Those would also be great, people to come on. If you're in the community and you have something you just want to brag about, a 5K, a walkathon that's going on, anything that serves the community, we want to be able to put that information out there for you. And we're willing to make our program and our channel available to you so you could better promote your community event. We would love to have you on. We'd love to hear your comments. And again, if you haven't already, please go look at the Florida Family Law Attorney podcast. Like, share, subscribe, or any other thing you can do on social media to get it noticed. We would really appreciate it. And we appreciate your support, and we look forward to the new year.